Hey guys, Eric here. Wanted to come outside today just first of all, actually let me check this. There, I don't think the microphone was plugged in all the way. But I haven't tested this microphone in high wind. And it's pretty windy today. Storm blew through here just a little while ago, and so it's pretty windy. So just checking it. So I may not even be able to use this video. Who knows? But Channel E2E last week came out with a list of 3 things that MSPs do that cause them to lose customers. And I wanted to go over that list real quick. And it's a topic that I may cover in detail. Cover those 3 separate sections, either in future videos or in blog articles. But I'd like to hear your guys' opinion on these different topics. So the first one is slow response. Now this one should be pretty obvious. Even back when I was an MSP, slow response time I knew was going to lose me customers. And in this day and age of automation and PSAs and automated responses from opening tickets, there really should be no reason for you guys to be losing customers due to slow response. So first of all, number 1, this is homework number 1. I'd like everybody to comment on this video and talk about what you do to decrease the response time for your customers. So that's item number 1. Item number 2 is a really important one. It's newer than the other one, obviously, and it has to do with preparing for cybersecurity. And I'm going to describe this in a little more detail. If your customers have a data breach or have a security issue where they lose data, you're going to be at fault. Whether it was part of your security package, whether you even had a security package, they're going to assume that you're taking care of their IT stuff, and if they have a problem, they're going to come to you first. So one of the things I want you to think about is making sure that your basic MSP package includes at least 2, if not 3, layers of security. Okay, so obviously you're going to have some type of endpoint security, some type of antivirus, anti-malware. The other thing is going to be some type of managed firewall. So you want to make sure that they are protected on their perimeter, or another possible layer to, in addition to that or instead of that, is some type of web filtering or firewall on the individual devices themselves. And the last layer that I want you to think of in terms of bare minimum for your clients is some type of backup. So backup is kind of your last line of defense. You want to make sure that your customers have good backup, or set the expectation from the start that if you don't manage their backups, you can't protect them from cyber threats. So the third thing that could make you lose customers, and I've seen this happen, it's happened to me, is your customers not knowing the value of your services. And the only way to let them know the value of your services is to show them. Because the best MSPs in the world, their customers never have to call them. And so how do their customers know the value that they're delivering? Well, it's through reporting and constant communication. So you want to send at least monthly reports, and you want to have at least quarterly business reviews with your larger clients, and then either twice a year or once a year with your other clients. So that's just a quick overview of some of the 3 basic things that can cause you to lose customers. We don't want anybody to lose any customers, so think about those 3 things. Go ahead and comment. Tell me what you're doing. Tell the group what you're doing in terms of protecting yourself from losing customers because of those 3 reasons. And let's continue this discussion online. Let's crush this thing. See ya. Oh, hey, I almost forgot to tell you guys. I'm actually going to be in Chicago at the IT Owners Conference IT Owners Compass trade show at the end of this month. If you're going, great, I'll see you there. If you have time, I think you can still register to go. So go over to itownerscompass.com. If that's the address, it's probably not the address. I'll go ahead and put the address down below so you can link to it, and hope I see you there.